Thousands of pizzas are produced here every single day.
But what really happens inside? The process begins with flour.
Massive mixers prepare the dough.
Water, yeast, salt, and oil are added.
The dough is kneaded until smooth.
This activates gluten for structure.
Once ready, the dough is transferred automatically. Large portions are divided evenly.
If you enjoy factory documentaries, subscribe for more.
Each piece becomes a future pizza crust. The dough balls enter shaping machines.
Pressure rollers flatten the dough.
The crust shape is formed.
Edges are slightly raised.
Now the pizza base is ready for toppings.
Next, tomato sauce is added.
Large tanks store the sauce mixture. The sauce must be perfectly blended.
Pumps transfer sauce to the topping line.
Each pizza receives the exact portion.
The sauce spreads across the base.
Consistency must remain uniform.
Excess sauce is avoided.
Now the pizzas move to the cheese station.
This is where the pizza starts to take shape.
Next comes the cheese.
Fresh mozzarella is shredded in bulk. Thousands of kilograms are processed daily.
The cheese is distributed evenly.
Next come the toppings. Robotic dispensers add pepperoni.
Other toppings are added automatically.
Sensors monitor topping coverage. Only perfectly topped pizzas continue.
Now they are ready for the ovens.
Now the pizzas enter the giant ovens.
These ovens bake hundreds of pizzas at once.
Temperatures reach over 300 degrees Celsius. Powerful heating elements cook the pizza evenly. Hot air circulates rapidly.
The cheese begins to melt. The crust rises as it bakes.
Every second is carefully controlled. The pizzas travel slowly through the heat tunnel. Moments later, perfectly baked pizzas emerge.
But the process isn't finished yet.
The pizzas must cool slightly.
Cooling prevents soggy crusts. Sensors check every pizza. Size and shape are verified. Toppings must be evenly distributed. Only perfect pizzas continue forward.
The rest move towards slicing. Next comes the cutting process.
A rotating blade slices each pizza perfectly.
Every cut must be precise. Sensors ensure alignment.
The machine works in seconds.
Thousands are sliced every hour.
Next comes the boxing process.
Boxes are formed automatically.
The pizza slides directly into the box. Ready for the final step. Boxes are closed and sealed. Each pizza is labeled. Orders are sorted automatically.
Large orders are grouped together. Robots help move the packages. The pallets are wrapped for shipping.
Now they are ready to leave the factory. Delivery trucks are waiting outside.
Soon, these pizzas will reach customers everywhere.
And that's how thousands of pizzas are made every single day. And that's how thousands of pizzas are made every single day.